We're out here with our lineup in front of the store. Hello, I'm Eric with Bobcat of Myrtle Beach. Many of you that have known Bobcats for years are very familiar with the look of this machine. This is our 595, but the rear of this machine is a very traditional Bobcat look. It's been around for a long time. Bobcat engineers did some redesign on this T66 to take the 595, best features of that, and add some improvements to it. The rear panel is louvered so that the airflow actually pulls up through the rear panel, up through the radiator, and out. This provides better engine cooling and keeps the operator a little more comfortable with less heat around the cab area. So I'll open it up and you can take a quick look here. We have very easy access to your maintenance items. We've got your fuel filter right there. One thing you'll notice is the absence of a primer bulb. This is a self-priming system, so you don't have to prime the system. One of the differences on this newer machine is that the fuel tank is actually mounted on the side versus in the bottom. So you've got easy access for your fuel door right there. Let me pop this open and you can see the other half with the louver system. We have a really large radiator. It's about 30% larger, and we can flip this open and we have easy access and maintenance there. One of the differences you'll notice is the arm structure here on the two units. And with that, where the hoses are, this one the hoses are kind of tucked in behind the support arm. We move over to our 595. Again, this is a traditional unit that Bobcat lovers have seen for years, but you can see there's a difference in our traditional machine versus some of the features on the T66. One thing, if we come back over here too, if we look at the track height, you'll notice that on the T66 the tracks are higher. One reason is it allows more space in there, so we've got debris, wood chips, mud, a little bit easier access to get that debris out as you're using the machine or cleaning the machine. Both the machines are in a similar weight class as far as the work they can do and how much they weigh. You're looking around 8,000 pounds with our 595. This one comes in a little bit heavier at around 8,900 pounds. The advantage of that is this one can also carry about 400 more pounds. Where that might come into play is both of these machines perform equally until it rains. You know what happens, it rains and now that pallet of sod is 400 or 500 pounds heavier. This machine might be able to move it around a little bit easier. There's a slight price differentiation between the T66 and the 595 with some of the features that Bobcat has added on the T66. We have both available if you're a traditionalist and you really like these. We've got the 595s for you. If you'd like the Bobcat dependable features, but some of the new items and new features, check out our T66.